Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to the new Animal Company update. There's a new bundle, new cosmetics, but they did bring back the reindeer. Wait. Okay, that's okay. The sky is still in the game. Alright. And then there's also the broccoli bombs. Gonna burn through my research points. 5 and 5? What? Okay. Those research point prices are outrageous. Bro, I am literally about to waste 10 research points for a video. Bro. Mario, make me do this. Yay. Now you cannot eat it. And then, yeah, so that's what they do. Now we have 26 research points, y'all. No, you better like get for my funds, for real. Oh, nah, bro, that's actually a W drawing. Oh, bro, that fan art is actually sick. And then, yep, from that one teaser in the Discord. So you need to put uranium or silver, and then you could build the thing. Reactor. Oh, whoa! Everybody can do it. So some people can go to sewers. Some can go to mines and get the silver. Yo, that's actually sick. And then it builds the whole thing. What if I get in there? Ah! You actually get shredded. That's actually sick. Good thing I didn't bring my grappler in there, or else I would have had to waste, or I would have wasted $2,000. So yeah. And there's this. Don't know what that is. So now there's 3 of the thing. Say profit down equals bad, new machine make more money, and money make boss happy. Optimal zone, target, return. Yo, no, that's actually okay. And then what's the office sound coming from there? So yeah, there's multiple things we need to find out in this video. $5 though, just for this? Bro, $5? Oh, there you go. So yeah, don't have enough right now for that. Why don't I have a turkey in here? Yummy. There you go. Oh, my controller. So yeah, I have all of these. What's that? Get out. That landed. Y'all heard that. So for this video, I guess, and we're gonna just be going to the mines, collecting silver, and then for the second part, we're gonna be doing silver. So I'm gonna get a backpack full of gold. Or not gold, silver. But I will mine anything. Just not copper. So one copper. Get out. Alright. There's some silver over there, silver down there. Amethyst. No gold. Oh, that almost made me. Never, you know what? Never mind. This is your karma for scaring me. Okay, what has been with the monsters not dying for real? That's a really risky fucking coin. Bro, you hit him like. Oh, there you go. There's a big chicken nugget on the loose. Alright, and now we go for silver. Oh, silver, yes. I'm gonna just have all this silver down, you know? And more gold, silver, more silver, more gold. And then we're gonna grab these. Hello? And put them in our backpack. I'm gonna mine all this. Okay. Bro, it's so nice. Cause bro, you get like silver like every time you mine that. So yeah, now let's just go back. I'm gonna go over here. Mine all this silver. Well, this one's nice. I'm gonna put it down. Then all that. Then get this. That. And mine that. And also, yes, the lava area over there is still here in the mines. And if that's there, I'm good. So let me collect these. Now I'm gonna save the rest of them in my backpack for collecting down here. Oh, not the pickaxe. Alright, we mined the gold. I know I'm bad outside of my boundaries. Don't judge me, okay? Get up! But now we need to collect the water. Why does it look like it has a... There's more silver. Gold. Company wants please. Then more silver. Amethyst. The big chunks probably give like 2% or something. Okay, that's gonna be all the silver we get. I'm gonna mine all that. And mine that. Okay, now we are back here. This is about to go up. Wait, You get 1,000 or 100. Alright, hey. So yeah, I put in some silver, and then there's also that. So the silver is to build that over there, and the top. Okay, yeah. Construction material. Wait, hold up. I don't know what it means by construction materials. Bro, it literally makes the same sound as the office stuff. What? Why is there an invisible barrier? Get out! Alright. Also, I just want to thank y'all again for 100 subscribers. What? So yeah, also if y'all want to know what my kit is, so first, obviously grappler, then the pickaxe, and then the glow stick. Those are the top 3 items I bring on every single adventure. Yeah, I like all the fan art. They really had to get that in there. Guys, look! A birdie! Oh, that canopy one is good right there, see? Then there's the G.editor one. Pie without a style. Bro is cooked. Ghost art. Bro. Cereal. Red Spy. W for real. Bro. The ghost. W to all those pictures. So yeah, I don't know if that's gonna be it. Hold up, wait. So yeah, they float like normal broccoli. Are you gonna wait, what happens? Oh, you're just the exact same. What did I? Oh, that's normal broccoli. So yeah, you could use these quick. And then yeah, from 3, you're already the size to make stomping. I'm gonna see if there's anything new over on the moon, even though there's probably not. Oh man. I mean, it also does want a little quicker. Oh, it just... Okay. Yes, I'd like to get out of here. Why was that car moving on its own? Well, yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Hope you guys like it, and like always, I say the same outro. So, peace.